Damn, this is too much fucking light. Too much fucking light. Alright, y'all, what's up? It is Sam, Killing Them Softly. Today I'm giving you guys a different video. We're gonna be trying these. I have the red kind, but I want to try these first because this is the first level of the hot or whatever. I've seen a lot of people do this challenge. I don't really want to label it as a challenge since I'm late to doing it. So we're gonna be trying the hot chicken flavored ramen. They said this shit is supposed to be hot. Let's look at the back. It says 530 calories. How much sodium? Around 1,200. Let me see. Fiber, you got 1 gram. Let's see. I'm going to show y'all in a minute too as well. 12 grams of protein. All right, so I'll be back with the noodles. Hold on, let me show y'all. See if y'all can see that. You can see a little bit of that. I'll do a slow-mo or something of it. But yeah, I'll be right back with these cooked. I left a little water in for my noodles. I don't like it without the water. I don't like my shit dry. So here's the seasoning packet. And then here's the spicy shit, whatever. I don't know what the fuck it's called. But I'm about to dump it in there and we'll stir this bitch up. What's this black shit? We got seeds and shit in here? I don't know. Shouldn't have put this shit in. It looks disgusting. Alright, now for the moment of... Oh, I got water in case you're wondering what the fuck I'm drinking. I'm gonna be drinking water. Alright. Oh my god. Look at it. Look at it. Look at this. This shit is black. Well, red. You know what I mean. Oh my god. Look at this. Look at it. And we still have stuff coming out. This shit better be good. Now, during this mukbang, whatever the fuck, I really don't have anything to talk about. But I'll probably talk about how hot this shit is. Or whatever. I don't like the fact that their noodles are like chunky. I don't like that. Top Ramen, I like their noodles better. I just wish they had this seasoning. Okay, I think that's enough. I got it all out. And now we're about to switch. Well, I'm about to stir it up. Oh, shit. Oh, this shit stink. I think I had this before, and I was like, man, this shit stank. Let's see if you can get... Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Oh, my God. This shit stinks. Funky as fuck. All right. This stirred up pretty well. Now we're about to take the first bite. All right. I'm back. Hold on. There we go. Let me grab this fucking water real quick. Oh my god, this shit stinks. I don't know if it's that, the seat, like the other shit. All right, let me just shut up and taste it. I don't care for it. I don't care for it. I don't know how long this video is going to be. I really don't. I don't like how thick the noodles are. The seasoning's pretty good, but and the smell, I don't fuck with the smell either. It just stinks. And don't be like, oh, she already finna cave. No, it's not that. It's just the water is fucking hot. And the noodles, I didn't dump it out. I don't ever dump out my water in my noodles. But since I had to cook the noodles for 5 minutes, hotter than usual. This is not that bad. Really ain't. I should have tried the ×2, but I was scared because I was like, well, see everybody else doing the black package. This is not bad. Not bad at all. I'm gonna probably do this challenge with my friends. Well, this mukbang, whatever. Probably eat these with my friends. We'll probably record that as well. Probably do that with the ×2. But then again, I don't know. Because not a lot of my friends eat spicy food. I do. I eat a lot of that. This shit almost went down the wrong way. Almost did. Swear. God damn. I'm not going to edit out none of the cussing, none of that. This is unfiltered. I don't care. So, yeah. I'm going to show you. Well, I'm not even halfway done. But, fuck it. I'm not going to show you my bowl just yet. I'm not going to show that to you just yet. Where the fuck is my... See, I put my bun all the way in the back. I should have never left this fucking water in here. I hope this sauce don't stain my fucking bowl. I should have used plastic, but plastic would have melted. Fuck it. Who cares? I'll buy another one. It definitely has a kick to it. I don't like this black shit that's in here, though. The little seeds or whatever. I don't like it. It's nasty. Oh, shit. Shit. Trying to see how long it's going to take me to take a drink. Gotta stir this shit up. Because now I don't taste nothing. I ain't got enough seasoning. Damn seasoning on the damn bowl. Oh, I hope this ain't stain my bowl. Fuck it. Fuck it. Why not? Look at it. It's red. It would be even more red if I had no water in it, but I don't like dry ass noodles, as I said before. Is my lips turning orange? No. They're not changing. But I think if you have sinus problems and shit, the noodles will get rid of that for you. I'm sweating, but my throat and nose is all right. Pretty fine. Oh, also, I had seen in the comments, where's the link to the vape? Well, it turns out eBay is not selling vapes anymore. So, I can't give you a link that I don't have anymore because the seller took it off. So, it's not my fault. But, another video of that, vapes and things, will be coming soon. I don't know when, but it'll be coming soon. God, this shit is disgusting. Water's still fucking hot. It tastes sweet. It has a sweet and peppery taste. I don't know if that makes sense. Or it might just be me because it tastes sweet in it a little bit. I don't know. I could be wrong. Could be fucking wrong. I'm almost done. Almost done. 6 minutes, 25 seconds. My lips ain't, they're not orange. Orange, red, whatever. I'm not drinking this fucking sauce. Fuck that. I would, but this damn water is still fucking hot. The water. Like, it's still heated up. The water was cold, and yes. No, I'm just kidding. I still ain't drinking this shit. Damn, nose is running now. I don't know why my nose started running to the fucking end. I'm almost fucking done. I only got like two scoops left. Let me show y'all. I see it. Few scoops left. Just a few scoops left. I don't know why I keep saying scoops. Scoops left. That's not what the fuck. My damn nose is running. Shit! Come on, ho. Should have grabbed a fucking spoon. I grabbed a fork. I put the link on where I got these from. I didn't get them from Walmart. Walmart does sell them. They sell the black label. I don't think they sell the red ones in the store. At least at mine, they don't. They just sell the black ones. The ones that I'm eating right now, they sell those at Walmart. But I'll give you the Amazon link. Because that's where I got it from. Come on, you son of a bitch. It tastes sweet and spicy. Wonder what the other one tastes like. I'm not eating that shit today. I'll probably eat it with my friends, like I said before. Give it to her as a housewarming gift. Get it? Because her damn throat might be on fire, so she doesn't eat spicy shit. It's all gone. I'm gonna show it to you. Shit! You see it? Noodles is all gone. What do I rate this as? Probably, well, in spices, it's pretty damn good. When I first made it, I'm like, damn, these noodles is fucking huge. I don't like huge noodles and shit. I don't like that. I like Top Ramen noodles. The spices, they get a thumbs up, double thumbs up, because I've been looking for hot noodles for a while. Top Ramen has hot spicy chicken, I think in a cup, in the little cups or whatever. That's nasty as shit. Fucking disgusting. I was like, the fuck? Anyway, I would recommend it if you are looking for something spicy. What else? I don't really know. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys stayed to the end. Give this video a like, a thumbs up, subscribe. We're trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Can't give you guys the giveaways that you guys been asking me for if we don't hit 1K. That's all I ask is 1K. More vape videos on the way. A whole bunch of everything is on the way. Subscribe to the channel. What the fuck is that? Some shit from the noodles. Anyway. Subscribe to the channel. Subscribe to the channel. That's all I ask. I'm out. Peace.